Zach, can you say Dada? Oh, don't take it off. Can we see you put it on? Yeah, good job.
Good boy. Can you say Mama? Mama. Good boy. Can you say Mama? Good boy. Can you say Baba? Baba. Where's your nose at? Where's your hair? Where's your hair?
Oh, but you got a hat on.
Where's Zach? Where's Zach?
Boo.
Bah. Where's your hair?
Show us your hair. Yeah, that's right.
Good boy. Yeah.
Do you still remember where your eyes are?
What is this? Can you show us your trick, Zach? What's your trick?
Okay, Zach, can you say bye-bye? You can look at the camera. Zach.
Zach, can you come here to mommy?
Okay, Zach, look over here. Okay, now say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh. No bye-bye? Okay, thank you.